to actually have my shorts being done without having me to do them every single time, because it takes so much time, right? And I was like, if I could only find a way to do them, not having to go through my videos and having to find for the specific parts to make the shorts about, and I would have a tool to be able to extract the best part of my videos and make shorts out of it and be able to repurpose them and publish them on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. The website is called opusclip.com, and it pretty much cuts your videos in pretty couple of shorts, and without having to do anything, you get to find the keys, the keywords, and you put them and you have your best shorts being out. And really, AI does everything regarding just choosing picks with the keywords that you're gonna give them. So the website is really cool, and you have the option of having the subtitles when you have those shorts coming out, and it's so beautiful. The result is insane, and you can do it in a couple of minutes. So just to tell you that AI is here, AI is staying. It's really up to us to be really smart into using it to our own advantages to start businesses. So the first business that I would talk about here would be coaching, obviously, because, well, that's what I'm doing. And I think coaching is pretty much